Welcome to World Neem Organization. Trees and birds have a very close correlation or mutualism. In other words, they share a symbiotic relationship. Most bird species are insectivorous and frugivorous. Birds play a crucial role in maintaining forest ecosystems. Birds help trees pollinate, drop and disperse seeds, reforestation, control insects and weeds, and fertilize the soil. The trees attract birds by providing food resources and sites for roosting and nesting. The attractiveness of different tree species depends on their characteristics. It has been shown that more canopy cover provides more insect prey, hence more bird density. In 2014, a news was published titled "Neem Trees to Keep Birds Away from Air Force Base." According to this news, neem trees are anti-bird trees as birds do not nest on them, though they help maintain microclimate in the area and have medicinal properties. We would like to clarify that the neem tree is not an anti-bird tree. Let's take you on a journey of correlation between birds and neem trees. The neem tree is birds' safest place for nesting, roosting, foraging, breeding, perching, and feeding. A very unique bittersweet taste of the neem fruits is most relished by the birds. Insect-repellent phytochemicals of neem are of great benefit against nest-dwelling parasitic insects. Some birds use neem leaves for lining their nest. Birds help in dispersal of the neem seeds randomly. In Australia, the neem tree is estimated to produce 44,000 to 200,000 bird-dispersed seeds each year. The neem tree is native to some countries in tropical and semi-tropical regions, notably the Indian subcontinent, and has a long history in Malaysia. According to Dr. Amar-Singh's observations, birds come either daily or seasonally. There are 3 categories of birds that visit the neem tree. Direct feeders are the birds who directly feed on the neem fruit. Many birds feed indirectly on the neem tree. They catch insects that may be attracted by the neem flowers or other invertebrates present on the neem tree. There are birds who use the neem tree as a perch to hawk for insects attracted by the neem flowers. Here are some other examples of birds that are found on neem tree. The internet is full of such photographs that provide us enough evidence that birds on neem tree is not an uncommon sight. Not just birds, there are other insects and animals as well that depend on neem. They live on and around neem tree. For more information, visit our website www.worldneemorganization.org.
If you wish to become a WNO member, simply click the link in the description box, or you can visit our website for all the membership details and every Neem update. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Our social media handles are given right on the screen as well as in the description box. We would like to thank our sponsors for their constant support.